IPL 2025 Rajasthan Royal full and final squad. Number 1 Shubham Dube batsman. Number 2 Vaibhav Suryavanshi batsman. Number 3 Simran Hetmeyer batsman. Number 4 Yashasvi Jaiswal batsman. Number 5 Riyan Porag batsman. Number 6 Sanju Samson wicket keeper. Number 7 Kunal Rathore wicket keeper. Number 8 Dhruv Jurel wicket keeper. Number 9 Nitish Rana all rounder. Number 10 Yudhvir Singh all rounder. Number 11 Jafra Archer bowler. Number 12 Mahesh Texana bowler. Number 13 Wanindu Hasranga bowler. Number 14 Akash Madwala bowler. Number 15 Kumar Kartikeya Singh bowler. Number 16 Tushar Deshpande bowler. Number 17 Falak Farooqui bowler. Number 18 Keon Mefaka bowler. Number 19 Ashok Sharma bowler. Number 20 Sandeep Sharma bowler. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.